I'm back on the Ferguson project again, and I'm about to goober some, what is this? Ultra Black, Permatex Ultra Black. I'm going to try using that alone and see if that works. What I got to do is put, it says 1/16 to a 1/4 inch bead on and put it on by itself, no gasket. So the gasket for this stuff is squeezing out horribly, so this might be the only way. I waited a couple days since the last try where the gasket failed twice. I waited for a fresh tube to come, but it appears as though I don't need it. Well, it's possible. If it doesn't quite want to seal up, I might want to use the little spout thing there to inject a little bit into it. Okay, now I got to put this thing together. A little bit of clean off work under here. Get my bolt. Yeah, this is super convenient. Well, I guess it's a little more convenient than doing stuff with horses, which was right before this. Okay, yeah, you can really see now how this stuff just does not fit. I can try goobering some more in there and see if it works. There is a big gap. It's snug right there. And then various degrees of tight elsewhere. Well, that's what I got in the end. I goobered on some Permatex. It just doesn't get tight, so there's no way to follow the instructions that says to apply it to one side and then partially tighten it and then blah blah blah. It just is not going to happen. Let me turn off this light so you can see what's going on. So it has the bead that is on the pan, but I don't know if that's making a good enough contact on the inside. I don't know how close this thing, apparently it gets tight enough so that it was squeezing out that big fat gasket. But I don't know if this is going to work or not. If not, I will have to go out and get another pan for it, and I really don't want to do that. because this pan is pretty dented up. And the way it's dented up, that the screen doesn't want to come out of there. And the screen might be what's holding things up. I really don't want to put all that work into it. I just need to get it running so I can, you know, hopefully use it for some work in the fields this year. Like mostly dragging, I guess. That's the only implement that I have that'll work on it. So hopefully I can get out and drag the fields, which I really need to do. But we'll see. It says to let it dry for 24 hours. I'll let it dry for a couple days and then update on this. We got a 50-degree day, and what is it? It's 48 degrees in here. It's cold, raining, and miserable out, so it's gonna take a bit longer for this to dry, to cure. Yeah, I'll give it a good couple days and then update this. I'll pour some oil in it, and if it leaks all over the floor again, then I'll have to go to plan C for this. This is really, really getting annoying, but you know, that's life with a tractor that's been actually used since 1951. I mean, this thing's got welds, and I mean, this has been welded together. The steering case has been welded. It is what it is. So if this leaks, I'm not even gonna mess with it anymore. I'm gonna go on eBay and find a pan that isn't bashed in, and then do it again with the normal gasket, and it better work then. All right, I think that's about it for today. What do we got coming up tomorrow? I don't think it's going to be raining tomorrow. So the pastures are just overgrown with big, tall weeds because of all the rain we've been having. I think you could see down through there, I got May apples and all kinds of stuff just within 2 days of rain, just blasting forth. It's already getting too big to spray. I don't like spraying the stuff when it's getting pretty tall, so I'll go down and whack the stuff with the brush whacker, and then I will spray it. So lots more pasture maintenance coming up, and I got a few surprises as well. So stop back in and see the continuing saga of the TO-20, as well as the continuing saga of the pasture clearing. That's it for today. Thanks for stopping by.